closer to my dream.
Hey guys, it's tashay.reddic, excuses, and I'm back with another video. So today I want to bring back Eco Style Gel. I brought back the argan oil. Now I want to bring back the black flaxseed oil for two reasons. One, it's in my cabinet. It needs to be used. Two, it smells so good. Like, oh my God. This is a maximum 10 hold, maximum 10 shine. It's alcohol free for all hair types. And yeah, I am going to do a wash and go. Now, this doesn't pair well with a lot of things, but there was something that I seen in a video that was mentioned that it said it paired well with. And that is the Shea Moisture Jamaican Black Castor Oil Strengthen and Restore Styling Lotion. So I'm going to do a wash and go and see how this goes. I did use the Jamaican Black Castor Oil by Shea Moisture Strengthen and Restore Leave-In Conditioner. I have been putting my leave-ins in the shower. It seems to work very well. Like the definition, from the hot water, just, oh my God, like game changer. Got that from Kimberly Sherrill. That is one of my favorite YouTubers, and Happy Girl, and Hazel Goddess. So I did just get out the shower, but I am going to wet my hair, even though I just got out the shower. And I will be shingling. And so I'm going to the consistency is runny. Definitely gonna need more than that. I added so much water. This does feel moisturizing. I do have this whole line. I do have a video using this with the Wet Line Extreme Gel. I will leave that in the description box below. But I didn't do it with shingling, and I didn't do it with the the black flaxseed oil. So, gonna take about that much. The consistency is gelish like all the other gels. Probably gonna do a little bit more. It feels kind of lightweight, but I've been like extremely heavy-handed with my products. Pretty good definition. Just about to shingle some of this. This is my entire head shingled. Y'all, right now, I wasn't really feeling it. I'm gonna be honest. When I was shingling, I felt like it had way too much frizz for me. This is the back. The back, it's all shingled like normal, but as I was shingling, like I just wasn't feeling it for some reason. Like my roots, none of that. Just wasn't feeling it. I was just like, this is not gonna last me a long time. But I'm trying to do my edges before I do the dryer, so we'll see how it comes out after I sit under the dryer. Y'all, I'm not gonna lie. When I was doing my hair, I was ready to be done with this because it still looked frizzy to me when I was shingling. When I kept putting it on, it seemed like no matter how much of this I put on, it was not holding. And I think it's because I was comparing it to the Wetline Extreme Gel and the Argan Oil Gel. And when I put those two on, you can instantly feel like the hold. So this is very lightweight. It says it has a max hold of 10. We'll see. I was definitely a little nervous. I was just like, this is not gonna come out cute at all. But my curls are pretty defined. I think the color makes it look a little different, but my hair is definitely defined. This is the back. I did fluff it out, or picked it out a little. I didn't stretch it, but yeah. I will say that these two pair well together. I don't see any flakes. I don't have any flakes. I guess you don't have to use a lot of this because you're not going to get a hold. I mean, if you use Wetline Extreme Gel, you're not going to get the hold like that instantly. So I just was like, I literally was just thinking like, I'm not going to get that many days out of it. Like, but the smell smells, it's like literally to die for. So yeah, I am not giving up on this. I do love my results. I did use the leave-in conditioner, the styling lotion, and then the Eco Style Flaxseed. I'm gonna try to find other things that it does pair with. If you ever want to know if your gel will pair with what you're about to use, spray a little water on your hands, because that makes sense. You're about to put it on damp hair. Put the styler and then the gel, rub it together, and if it has white clumps, I guess I could do it right now in the video wall. I'm literally only putting that much. I did have oil in my hands too, but as you can see, I got nothing. No white clumps, no nothing. That's how you know that it will pair well together. So if you like this video, make sure you give it a thumbs up. Don't forget to comment and please subscribe. My video for the full review of this line will be linked down below in the description box. Tell me if you plan on using this combo together. Tell me if you like the black flaxseed Eco Style gel. If not, tell me what your favorite Eco Style gel is and what you pair it with. And I will see you guys in my next video. Bye.